Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, go ahead and leave some bullish comments about XRP, because I believe even though the main bank, the central bank of Argentina, stepped in, I still think this is bullish news for XRP. And also, if you guys want to learn more, I'm going to do some technical analysis, some chart analysis, some semi-price predictions of XRP long term at the end of this video. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video, where you can learn a lot more about technical analysis, my indicators that I use, and why and how. Okay, we got Argentina Central Bank steps in to block new crypto offerings from banks. Okay, this is huge, and the reason I'm saying that this is still bullish news to me is because they're only halting it, and they're only getting in the way because now they want a piece of the pie. They're not halting it because that's going to be it and there's not going to be no more, whatever. No, that's not going to happen. Now they're saying, hey, you guys are going to do it? Well, we want to do it too. And then we're going to wiggle our way in, and that's all that's going to happen. Is it going to prolong this transition? Maybe a little bit. Can it help later on? Yeah, because now we have a third bank, okay? And the silver lining is most likely this bank is going to want a piece of the pie as well, and that'll bring more adoption to XRP and crypto in general. The Central Bank of Argentina, BCRA, has put a kibosh on financial institutions, offering crypto trading only days after two countries' largest banks signaled they were opening up to digital assets. On May 5th, the BCRA said the move was to mitigate the risk crypto pose to users and the financial system as a whole. Citing crypto's high volatility, use in money laundering, and absence of regulatory safeguards. Okay, and to be honest with you guys, we're going to keep it very transparent on this channel. All different types of currencies are used. Even if people had the barter system, any type of currency, humans will always find a way to get their what they want, no matter what. So being used for laundering, it doesn't matter if we're trading carrots, people are going to use carrots to do the same thing. Okay, so we're going to continue. We got the news came hot on the heels of an announcement on Monday from two of the country's largest bank, Banco Galicia and Brubank. Shout out to both those banks for rocking with this crypto space, okay? And shout out to all my Argentina brothers and sisters. You guys know that I drop videos in Spanish, so if you're bilingual and maybe you have a cousin or a friend that doesn't speak English and you want them to learn about cryptocurrency, tap in with other videos that I have in Spanish, specifically helping Latin America, get hip to what's going on with cryptocurrency. They would allow their customers to purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and Ripple. Of course, that's what this is all about, and I believe that Ripple is going to continue to push. The decision to open crypto trading was decided by a poll conducted by Banco Galicia, where 60% of respondents said they wanted easier access to digital currency. Who doesn't? We all do, right? The central bank has long taken a dim view on crypto, ensuing an alert to the public in May last year on the risk, warning once again of the concerns around volatility and money laundering, despite the bank saying there were not signs of any significant levels of acceptance and use. So to be honest with you guys, and I'm always going to be honest with you guys, this worryingness and this dim, all that is fear. It's fear, so they can position themselves a lot better than the everyday person. And that's what we're going to change on this channel. We're going to help you guys experience the abundance of money. We're going to help you find financial freedom. And the way we're going to do that is by educating just not myself, but everybody in this community, everybody on this channel, as we continue to grow and as this crypto space continues to grow. According to figures from data analysts from Statistas, 21% of respondents in Argentina had owned or used crypto in 2021, making the sixth highest rate of adoption in the world, of highest rate in Americas. Okay, this is huge. Argentina's inflation rose another 6.7% in March, the highest rate in 20 years, to hit 51.1% year over year, according to INDEC, the country's statistics agency. Some Argentinians have turned to crypto in an attempt to hedge spiking inflations. In April, one rural town began the process of mining cryptocurrency to fight inflation. Shout out to that rural town. Not sure where you guys are from or where you guys are at, but we're going to learn more about what's going on over there in Argentina. If you guys are familiar more with what's going on over there, right? If you guys are over there in Latin America and you guys want to tap in with me and let me know, what's going on. What is this little town, this rural town that's doing this mining? Let's give them some exposure. Let's help them out, right? So now let's get to these technical analysis on what I'm looking at, and something that you guys can, tap in with me on my money bag alerts and learn these technical analysis and tap in on my money, not only my money bag alerts, but also my technical analysis course, which is going to be ramping up really big soon. I'm really excited, as you guys can tell. This is going to really be turning the page for money bag alerts. Those who are already tapped in, I hope that you guys are already getting excited. We're going to have some big things coming. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to identify some support and resistance just to start this off, right? And we're going to have more XRP videos coming, some price prediction videos on XRP and whatnot like that. So we're going to start off by starting right here on 91 cents and 56 cents, okay? These are the main ones that we're going to see, but where we're going to notice, it's called range trading. So right here, we have a consolidation channel that's happening right here. And we're going to watch this. Some traders like to trade within right here. Me personally, I do not, but I like to identify. Why? Because I can then wait for my timing on my breakout, right? We're going to wait. We're on the 4-hour chart. What we would want is for that dot to flip back over on the bottom. Notice that when it flips back over on the 4-hour chart, we have a larger long range to play within. Granted that we're still trading within this range. That's why some traders like to trade this, where you can, right? We can trade right here from the 4-hour chart. The first dot on the bottom, we could have traded from 56 cents, especially those doing leverage, all the way to 65 cents. That's some money on the table. Then, if you wanted to, which I will add to the technical analysis course, how to short. Me, myself, I'm not fond of shorting, but I do know how to short because this is just a mirror effect. You would have seen the dot flip over to the top. We would have took a short position and trading this consolidation. This is the range trading. Me personally, I like to trade breakouts, but I will show you guys whatever you guys are interested in, whatever you guys want to know. I will literally help you guys understand this the best that I can, okay? But what I like to do is I like to time the breakouts, because if you notice, this range right here from 56 cents to 91 cents is a lot more lucrative and it's a lot more consistent. I'd rather wait for an oversold indicator where it's all the way oversold. And I'm gonna show you guys how to identify these breakouts. Right now, the markets are bearish, so the volume is very low and people are being very cautious. So we're not gonna have a lot of breakout scenarios happening, but I'll show you. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute chart. So right here, we'll be watching. This is that same consolidation, that range trading that we're doing, but we'll be waiting for a breakout. How will we know that the breakout's happening? Well, it takes a lot of patience. On this 15-minute chart, anybody who entered right here on this vertical line going up and down, this 57 cents, 81. We have the MACD, or the MFI oversold twice. We have the MACD tremendously oversold, right? And granted, these markets are not looking good, but when you hold a position like this and it keeps holding on right here, this is a position that I suspect that XRP will have a breakout above this 65.70, or at the very least, if you would have got in at the beginning, you can ride this wave till that test point of 65.45, okay? So this is that range trading that we're talking about, from 65.70 all the way down to 57.81. You could have took a short, and vice versa. The minute the dot would have flipped over, obviously indicating all oversold. And the same thing with overbought. The minute you would have want to flip the script, if we want to call it that, look at how overbought it is. Look at how overbought it is on the MACD. So we're just having that mirror effect where, okay, boom, we got the dot on the top. I'm ready to get out. We're already overbought. I would have probably got out right here on this first dot, even though it likes to, right when you get out, it likes to do this a lot to make you trick back in. And then now you're not in profit no more. And now you got to hold forever. So right when I would have seen that we're going up on this 4-hour chart, the dots are separating. Yeah, we got a little bit more momentum. They got back tight. But the minute they would have flipped back to the top, and knowing that we are already overbought, that would have been my signal. I'm out of here. And then, this is how they trick people right here, because then it would have went back up. People took positions again, and now, boom, they drop it down on everybody. I suspect that XRP, as we can see a green candle forming, just turned red, but let's go down to the lower time frames. We're overbought right here, so we're going to work our way back down one more time. Going oversold, which we're very close to, and most likely the MACD is not going to have to get all the way oversold, because this is the 1-minute chart, and we'll most likely curl up right around here. We're overbought on the 3-minute, and we're not yet overbought on the 5-minute nor on the 15 minutes, which lead me to believe that we're going to be pushing back up. We'll consolidate to the right, but every time that first dot comes out on the bottom, there's a range to play, right? So we're going to keep an eye on this. I want you guys to continue to ask questions down below. Those who want to tap in on my money bag alerts at CryptoRico9 is my Telegram, or my Twitter at CryptoRico12. Do not miss out on these opportunities. You guys are going to want to be a part of this, especially within the next coming months. This is going to be epic. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.